괜찮아. 괜찮아요.
Anjay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Mulan Celestia Arli from Management Class 22A. I want to explain about perceptions and decision making. Perceptions is a psychological process that allows an individual to interpret and understand information received from the surrounding environment. Perceptions is not just about what we see or hear, but how we interpret that information. The process of perceptions begins with the reception of stimuli, information, through the sense, which is the process and interpreted by the brain to form an understanding or image of the world. Stage of perceptions. There are several important stages in the process of perceptions that need to be understood, including receiving stimuli. The first process is perceptions, catching information from the environment through the sense. Every individual receives stimuli in the form of light, sound, touch, smell, or taste. For example, when we look at an object, the light reflected from the object enters our eyes and is received by the retina. Stimuli selection. After receiving stimuli, the brain begins to select the information it deems relevant, because we cannot process all incoming information at once. The brain tends to focus on stimuli that it finds important or that align with our attention at the moment. For instance, when we are in a crowded room, we may only hear the person speaking to us while ignoring other sounds. Stimuli organizations. Once information is received, the brain begins to organize the stimuli into patterns or categories that are already familiar. This can happen based on past experience, previous knowledge, or certain associations. For example, when we see someone wearing a suit and tie, we might organize that information as a professional based on our experience and knowledge. Stimuli interpretation. The final stage of perception is the interpretations of the organized stimuli. This is where meaning or understanding inform. However, this stage is often influenced by various subjective factors such as belief, personal value, cultural background, and emotions. For instance, two people who witness the same event might interpret it differently based on their worldview and past experience. Factors influencing perceptions. Perceptions can vary greatly between individuals, even in the same situation. Some factors that influence perception include social and cultural background. A person's worldview is highly influenced by their culture and social background. For instance, someone from a collectivist culture may focus more on the group than on the individuals, where someone from an individualistic culture may focus more on personal interest. Previous experience and knowledge. What we have experienced and learned in the past greatly influence how we interpret new situations. For example, someone who has been in a car accident may feel anxious every time they are near fast-moving cars. Emotional and mood. The emotion we are feeling also affect our perception of the surrounding environment. Someone who is its actions might perceive a normal situation as more threatening compared to someone who feels calm. Connection and biases. We often see the world through our connection and bias. We often see the world through our cognitive lens, which can be influenced by bias or particular way of thinking. Confirmation bias, for example, is that tends to seek or interpret information that confirm our existing belief. Decision making. Decision making is a more complex cognitive process that involves choosing among various alternatives to solve a problem or achieve a particular goal. Decision making can occur in very simple situations, such as choosing food for lunch, or more complex situations, such as making decisions in business or personal life that have long-term impact. Step in decision making. The decision-making process involves several systematic stages, although we often make decisions quickly and intuitively without formally following this step. Here are the common stages in decision-making. In identifying the problem or goal. The decision-making process begins with realizing that there is a problem or need that needs to be addressed. For example, if someone is dissatisfied with their job, they may feel the need to make a decision about a new career. Gathering information. After identifying the problem, the next step is to gather relevant information. This includes evaluation the situation, considering various alternative solutions, and studying the necessary data. Evaluating alternative. At this stage, individual as each available alternative based on relevant criteria such as advantage, disadvantage, risks, and potential outcome. Choosing an alternative. After evaluating alternative, the individual selects the best solution based on their needs or goals. This is stage where a concrete decision is made. Implementing the decision. Once the best alternative is chosen, the next step is to implement the decision. This must involve taking actual actions, such as finding a new job, purchasing a specific product, or starting a project. Evaluating the outcome after a decision is implemented is important. Evaluate the research. Did the decision lead to this desired outcome? If not, the individual may need to reconsider their decision or adjust their approach. Factors including decision making. Several factors can influence how we make decisions. Emotional stage. Emotional can impact decision making. Cognitive bias. Many decisions are influenced by cognitive bias. Social influence. Decisions can also be influenced by others. Past experience. Decisions are often included by past experience, time constraints, and research. We may have to make decisions under time pressure or with limited research. Relationship between perception and decision making. Perception and decision making are closely linked to how we perceive a situation, and the information available to us will affect how we evaluate alternatives and ultimately make decisions. Here are a few examples of how these two are connected. Perceptual distortions, perception or alternative, bias, influence.
Wanna know me, wanna know about me, wanna know about me.